Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and to my new subscribers, welcome. My name is Trishina, and here I do home decor and lifestyle videos. This video is sponsored by Tilful Home. I am reviewing their beautiful LED mirror. This mirror is 24 by 32 in size. It is a frameless lighted mirror, features both front light and back light. This mirror comes with 3 color temperature. It also comes with stepless dimming and heated anti-fog function. This mirror also came with a manual and the screws that you will need to install the mirror. So there's no need for you to go ahead and get extra screws because this mirror already comes with that. This product is equipped with a standard 3-prong plug, allowing you to simply plug it into an outlet without the need for any electric work. As I mentioned this before, that this LED mirror comes with 3-color temperature, steamless dimming, and heated anti-fog function. It is a very beautiful mirror, you guys. And here I'm just taking off the plastic to show you the full effect of the mirror. I just love how glossy it is. This mirror is very beautiful, and as I mentioned that the light, we have front light and also the back light as well. Tilful Home is offering a discount. I will leave the discount code in the description box. Thank you, Tilful, for sponsoring this video. So in today's video, I will show you guys how I went about and installed these 3D wall panels. So this is where I'll be installing the panels right at my TV wall behind the TV stand. So these are the 3D panels that I purchased from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description. If you guys are interested, you can get it from there, from my link. So here I'm just moving the TV stand. Before I had the tapes there, but I was like, it don't really make much difference for me to have the tapes. So this tape is a double tape. So this is what I'll be using to install these panels. I'm going to cut about 9 pieces on each panels and paste them at the back. And then I'm going to remove the other side of the tape and then stick it to the wall. So that is what I'm currently doing here. Honestly, this took me about 1.5 hours to install everything on the wall. I really enjoyed doing stuff like this. I really enjoyed doing DIYs, and I wanted to find ways how I can go about and elevate my space. And I saw these on Amazon and I was like, yeah, this is the best thing for me right now. So I'm currently pasting it to the wall. I didn't really did much measurements. I just paste as I go. And to me, it turned out pretty well. So I'm just here applying the tapes, doing the same thing over and over routinely. So you guys can just see how I'm applying it. And this double tape is very good. It's very strong, so I'm not using as much. I'm just using a little piece because I really don't want to damage the walls. So a little piece of the tape is enough. So here, as you can see, I'm still applying the panels, which I'm still putting on the tapes and then pasting them to the wall. And because these panels comes with those lines, I tried my best to match the lines together so that everything can look evenly. So right here, I'm putting the panels behind the TV. I think this was like one of the most challenging part because I'm short and I don't have a tall ladder. So I was just trying to improvise. So this is how it's looking so far. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm so in love with it, and I just feel like, it's all coming together. So I used 2 packs of this 3D wall panels. This is my second pack. And in each box, it came with 12 pieces, 19 by 19 inches. So they're pretty big. Um, so you don't need much. If you have a smaller wall or a shorter wall, definitely one box can do. So this is the last row, and this is where I'm going to end the installation, right, on the wall. So please comment down below if you guys think I should go all the way up to the ceiling, or if I should just leave the panels right here at this row. Because I don't know, I was contemplating if I should go all the way up to the wall, but as you can see, the wall is not straight, so it's a bit difficult for me to cut it exactly to the size of the ceiling or of the wall towards the ceiling. So please let me know. And this is the last part of the installation, where this was the most challenging part. I had to cut one of the panels, which it wasn't easy. So we used the scissors to cut it, and I think it came out pretty well. It fit perfectly. So that is what I'm currently doing, and I decided not to take down the TV because I'm like, I'm not going to give myself extra work today. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just installing it. I'm making sure everything is even. And right here, I'm just adding some extra tapes because it was lifting a little bit, and I don't want any extra work, because when I'm done installing, then I don't need to go back and be adjusting things. I don't like to do that. So I added extra tape, and this is always looking, you guys. I'm telling you that I'm so in love. So I'm just here sweeping. I'm just here cleaning, because I made a mess on the floor. So I'm just adjusting the TV stand right here. And this is the final result, you guys. Look at that. It is beautiful. It is just beautiful to see what your imagination can do. Because one day I was like, I think the panels will look so beautiful on this wall. But I just love to see my living room coming together. And I'll definitely have the living room decor video out soon, so please look out for that. But this is the final result, and I'm so happy about the result, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And as I said, please comment down below what you guys think, if I should go all the way up to the ceiling or if I should leave it as this. And also the wire, as you can see, I placed the wire behind the panel, and I think it's looking very beautiful too. So that was a smart move. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video, and also comment down below of what you think about this installation. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a wonderful day, and God is love. Bye.